Ever feel like cloud storage is getting way too expensive, or you're tired of worrying who can see your personal files? If that sounds like you, then Drime Secure Cloud Storage might be exactly what you've been looking for. And right now, there's a lifetime deal that could save you a ton of money forever. Today, I'll show you what Drime is, its top features, the pricing, and whether this deal is actually worth it. Let's jump in. Encrypted Vault. Your most sensitive files get end-to-end local encryption. Only you can access them. Unlimited file size upload large 4K videos. No size limits. Collaborative workspaces. Organize client files, projects, feedback. All shared securely. Built-in document and media editing. Make changes without needing Google Docs or Adobe tools. Advanced video streaming, smooth playback, scrubbing, and previews, even for big files. Drime Sign collect e-signatures directly in the platform. Advanced link sharing, passwords, expiration dates, access stats, custom share links. Sync across devices, desktop, and mobile apps. Keep everything updated in real time. File version history. Restore old versions, up to 90 days on essentials. If you need secure storage for media, business files, or client projects, this is a strong option. Now let's talk pricing. Available right now on Stack Social. Essentials 2 TB, $149, 49% off. Professional 3 TB, $109.99, 49% off. Advanced 6 TB, $249, 58% off. And the best part is that you use the coupon code SOFTPARK20 for up to a 20% discount, one-time payment, lifetime access, updates included, works with new or existing accounts. So, should you buy it? If you want secure storage, collaboration tools, and lifetime ownership without subscriptions draining your wallet, Drime is absolutely worth a look. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link below. Don't miss out. Use the coupon code SOFTPARK20. Hit like and subscribe if you love finding great lifetime deals. See you in the next video.